Cyclone Asaga turning into a saga on tonight's HypoEarth weather bulletin. And now the latest around the wide world of HypoEarth. Hypo weather bulletin for January the 6th. Never gonna give you... Oh, hold on, that's the wrong bulletin, actually. Anyway, this is the tropics right now. There is only two systems. It's still Cyclone Asaga, which is now a Category 2 again. Briefly, and looks like it's going to weaken shortly. And Blair has already bit the dust. It's died. It's a remnant low. In the Atlantic, we're dominated by the Aurora Borealis, and it's 146 days until Atlantic hurricane season begins. No systems so far have formed. You may have seen on the little image at the cut intro, I was stuck. My name was Nathan Foy, and I was stuck inside Rick Astley's body. It's 129 days until the Eastern Pacific hurricane season, and there's a big red caution box in the middle of it all. Well, there was, but thankfully Ethan has removed it. In the Western Pacific, there is AI rendering of a Force 13 icon, and what did it do to it? In the Southwest Indian Ocean, this system has also started to trend up now. 50% chance, could that be a new tropical cyclone this weekend? And this is Asaga, still in the South Pacific, still meandering around in between Tonga and New Zealand. It looks like it will start weakening soon. It's reached a secondary peak of 100 miles per hour, currently moving southeast. And there's Blair, the remnants of southeast of New Caledonia, heading on towards the New Zealand direction, but it's weakened substantially, and you'll see it on satellite in a moment, down to 30 miles per hour. Let us know what you think about the first two storms of the year so far. Here's Asaga, 404 kilometres from Raoul Island, which is now the closest point of land, 1392 from Auckland, New Zealand, 1841 from Wellington, 2018 from Chatham Island, and 2141 from Christchurch. Category 2 with winds of 100 miles per hour, defying low sea surface temperatures, owing to no wind shear and good environment around it, which has allowed it to survive a little bit longer. But trust me, it is about to have its day. Satellite imagery shows the storm continuing there southeastwards, and as you can see, it's struggling in a way, but still holding on to part of that structure. And obviously you can see that the convection is not magnificent, because obviously those low sea surface temperatures mitigating that. Now here's what's left of Blair, and as you can see, it's being swept away to the southeast of New Caledonia, the South Pacific doing its job. Both of them are below 26 degrees Celsius temperatures now. Asaga particularly only around 25 degrees Celsius, so it is absolutely 100% on borrowed time. This other system in the Indian Ocean is around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius, so it should have a good start, but we're still concerned about wind shear for that one at the moment. Well, looking around the world then, the next name on the Atlantic naming list, the first one of the year, will be Adam. In the Eastern Pacific is Annabelle. In the Central Pacific, we're still waiting for Anacone. Let us know what your favourite names are of this upcoming naming list in all of the basins. In the Western Pacific, the next name is Sandan, and in the North Indian Ocean, it is Dima. And let us know what you think will be the worst ones to pronounce as well. That might be an interesting question. Yes. And elsewhere, in the Australian region, next name is Ashley. The Southwest Indian Ocean, Andre. And in the South Pacific now, the next name is Cam. That's all from tonight's HypoEarth Weather Bulletin. Hope you feel better now, and we'll see you again soon.